Welcome to Vintage Variety, everyone. I hope you all are having a wonderful new year. I did travel during the holidays. I visited family out of state, and while I was there, I managed to visit a few thrift stores. I do have a couple of jewelry hauls from those thrift stores. I'm going to show you one today, and the other will be in next week's content. And I'm also going to do an unboxing today. While I was thrifting, I wasn't just thrifting jewelry. I was thrifting other items to list in my eBay store. I do sell some of the jewelry that I find in my eBay store, but I have been having much better luck when it comes to selling with clothing and accessories, things like that. So most of what I thrifted were things to list in my store. I managed to thrift some shoes, one purse, and a few articles of clothing. I don't usually show those on my channel, but if you guys are interested in seeing other items that I thrifted, things that I thrifted for myself or for resale, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to show those. But for now, I'm going to get started showing you this jewelry. We're going to do the unboxing from Stephen first. Let's start with the unboxing. These are items that I purchased from Stephen over at Sugarvision, and I'll show you what I ended up getting. I try to watch other YouTubers. I try to watch their content. I don't always catch them live, but I just so happened to catch Stephen live, and he had some really great items. So if you guys have not watched his channel, be sure to do so. Check him out. He has some great content, and he has a wonderful eye for jewelry. I'm just going to cut this open. It's a cute little tiny bag, but I can't seem to get it. Isn't this beautiful? This is a ring by Brighton. Brighton jewelry, you clean it the same way you do sterling jewelry. However, it is usually just plated. And there is the Brighton mark on the inside. And this one is about a size 8. I bought this as a gift for someone else. There's someone that I know that loves Brighton jewelry. I like Brighton jewelry. I have a few pieces of my own. The second thing I purchased was this beautiful shell pendant. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the details on that. I'm going to get it opened up so you guys can see that. Isn't that pretty? This is mother of pearl. And I just thought this was a beautiful item. I also purchased this piece. And I believe this is sodalite, if I'm not mistaken. And the chain itself is liquid sterling. So I thought this would be a really nice piece of jewelry to own. I'm going to show you what these pieces look like on the form, and then I'll show you the pieces of jewelry that I thrifted. Here's a good look at this one on the form. It's a really nice length. I think this would look beautiful paired with some blue colored beads or even some silver chains. Now for the jewelry that I thrifted. This is a very small thrift haul, but I think it's a really good one. I'm going to start with this one. This is a set. This is plated. It's not sterling, but it is silver plated. And it is a tiger's eye pendant and earrings. Isn't that beautiful? Just love the look of this. I think this is really classy. If I were going to wear this, I would probably attach it to a chain. And I have a necklace here that would layer perfectly with this. And I'll show you guys what that looks like on the form. I think this is a beautiful pairing. I also thrifted these earrings, and they are not marked, but I believe that they are sterling. So we're going to test those right quick. So these are sterling. And the stone inside of them is onyx. So not a bad find. Another piece that I thrifted at that same store was this beautiful statement necklace. Get a load of this. This necklace is not marked, so I don't know what brand it is. Often necklaces like this, they'll have a little cartouche on them and it gets knocked off or falls off over time. Sometimes people remove them. But I liked the design of this, and when I saw it, it reminded me of a necklace that I already own, and I'm going to show that to you guys. I've had this necklace for quite a few years, and it's one from my personal collection that I love to wear. This is a Chico's necklace, and I get so many compliments on it when I wear it. Chico's has some beautiful jewelry. Look how well made this is. That's why I decided to pick the first one up. Let me put this on the form so you guys can get a better look at it. This is the necklace I already owned. This is a Chico's necklace. It's not on here straight, but just to give you an idea, this has a really Victorian vibe going on with it. It looks like a charm necklace. Every time I wear this, I get loads of compliments. It's one of my favorite necklaces to wear, especially if I'm dressing up to go somewhere. I like to put this one on, and I'll show you the mark on it. Chico's. So this other necklace, it kind of has that same vibe. It has all of these different charms on it. It also has this beautiful cameo on it. So I decided to go ahead and pick it up. You guys let me know what you think of this. A necklace like this, I don't think you would even need to layer it. It can be worn by itself. But it would layer really well with some black beads or maybe some navy blue beads if you wanted to wear it in a layered look. So let me know what you think in the comments. A pretty decent little jewelry haul. I did manage to get some tiger's eye, this beautiful statement necklace, and the lovely sterling and onyx earrings. I also love all of the items that I got from Steven over at Sugarvision. I know that the person that I'm giving this ring to as a gift will absolutely love it also. You guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Which item was your favorite item from Steven? And which item was your favorite item that I thrifted? I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.